Hello, this is Pranavan, and today we will be looking into Marvel Spider-Man Game of the Year Edition. So let's have a look into this right now. So this is it. This is Marvel Spider-Man Game of the Year Edition. And over here. Okay, so there is a code inside. To unlock the bonus digital items. And then you have the disc. It's a nice disc of Spider-Man web slinging around the building. And then you've got a bit of stuff on PlayStation Plus. And you've got the instructions on how to play the game for Spider-Man. Okay, that was a quick unboxing video. So this is Marvel Spider-Man Game of the Year Edition. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the future. Bye.